Hey guys, and welcome to this quick and dirty guide on how to add the Sonic testnet to your MetaMask wallet. And usually I recommend to use Chainlist because Chainlist is the go-to place where you know you get the right network. For instance, if you want to add the Fantom network, you can just type Fantom and you get Fantom Opera here. You add it to your MetaMask and you will be prompted with everything that you need. Chainlist is a trusted source to add whatever network you want to add. However, Sonic is not existing here yet because the Sonic testnet was just started. And to get the Sonic network, we need to go to another place, which is the official page of the testnet of Sonic Labs, and the address is testnet.soniclabs.com. I will put this link down in the description so you can find it there later as well. As easy as said, this you can take the information from here. So you open your MetaMask wallet and you are going in the full mode, like adding a network, the network adding option, and then you go there and put in the network name. The network name doesn't really matter. You can choose whatever you want, but we are using now for this example the network name from here. So next we need to copy this address here, and we also paste this RPC address here. The RPC is the interface basically that can connect your MetaMask with the network itself. Then we put the chain ID, which I also copied from the official page, and we put the symbol of the new layer 1 gas native token there, which is S. To also add the block explorer, which is optional, I click here and I'm adding the website actually that I'm linking you below, which is testnet.soniclabs.com, which is also the same location where the block explorer is located. Then I put save. Here it's in German, but you will see this is the Sonic testnet now here on my Coinbase wallet. I have 0S, and I just set it up for you here. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, smash the like below and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a wonderful day.